We don't know how the people that are around us feel. We don't know if they need someone who listens to their feelings. This app will not only connect the user to another person that is able to listen to them, it is principally a purpose app.
Many studies say that we have to know which is our problem, but this is not enough. We have to change our mind, be mentally and physically healthy. For that, this app has the option to start different challenges like declutter, productivity, self-care, workout, and positive affirmations. Thus, our application will be in a few words a friendly application with life, as it will have direct access to the birth control of the Japanese government and will allow a guide to be taken on the sad figures of births, and also that couples who decide to be parents, they are given a completely layering around the different methods to procreate that exist. In this way, the normal and necessary growth of the population will be maintained, ensuring that economic strength is not lost and that the country is sustainable for all.
Who listens and answers the user? Students of psychology for last semesters. What is the purpose of your company? The idea is to help as many people as possible in Japan and around the world with an expansion plan, taking into account international relationships and laws in each country. Every year, almost 800 people suicide by the World Organization of Health, and is the second cause of death in the world in who are between 15 and 29 years. Suicide and depression are a global phenomenon that affects any social class, age, or country. Globalization has allowed us to connect through the internet and applications, to speak to people physically far away but to feel them closer, travel with photos and videos, or get knowledge or people from all over the world. If we have to stay at home and we have not more than four walls, we can feel connected to the planet, learn, listen, and decide to change.
As we know, one of the great problems of Japan besides suicide is the ever decreasing birth rate. The latest data revealed by the government indicate that its population decline is very acute. This has many direct consequences. First, we can think about how in the future the culture will disappear as there are not people who perpetuate it, and also social security will present always a deficit. This has a direct impact on pensions, since it is essential that the population grows to be able to face pensions.
A big problem in Japan is the lack of knowledge about infertility and the treatments or alternatives that exist to be able to conceive. In addition, when the population of Japan is questioned about why they do not have children, it is said that they don't have the time to raise them due to the long working hours. They say that in general, life passes very quickly in Japan. Several work plans could be established to address this problem. For example, equalizing maternity and paternity leave and plan work hours that are friendly to family life.
How are we going to finance ourselves? How it is public knowledge, the subject of suicide and birth rates are extremely sensitive and important in the geographical space in which we develop. So the finance will come by 75% from the government. State public policies contemplate a percentage to finance campaigns like ours. True ads regarding personal care, exercise, contraceptive methods, the remaining 25% will be the product of the marketing that will be done within the application to different goods or services that collaborate with this topic discussed. Thus, we will cover all the expenses of our application, and also we will be able to generate through paid advertisements economic resources to contribute to those who require it.
We will never feel that time is enough. That is why we must be brave and fulfill our dreams starting today with Healthcare mobile app. Thank you.